Hello everybody, welcome back. This is my first Beyblade video in a while. I just want to say, I've been doing non-Beyblade videos because I love doing Beyblade, and that probably might be my main thing for my channel. But at the same time, I also want to do other things. So if I post non-Beyblade videos, it's just because I feel like it. Yeah, I have two packages. They both came today. Yeah, so I'm gonna open them up. So I'm gonna start with this one. Yeah. So this one I got off of like Kari. I think that's how you say it. But it's kind of like a garage sale app, you could think of it as. And so yeah. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Nightmare Rex. The faceplate is kind of worn, but everything else perfectly fine. So I gotta get a picture of some of this stuff, so I have to stop this video because I'm taking pictures I might use for the thumbnail. Nice. That's the first package. Leave it out the way. I'm sorry. First Beyblade video in a while. Okay. Next. Oh, by the way, I got this and I didn't do a video on it. It's the B141 long launcher L. And I'll show you at launch. Actually, you won't need. I'll use it very soon. Because now we have my next package. So, give me 1 second. Bruh, I just found my knife. Yep. Oh, bacon. I also have a really big set coming soon. At some point. What are we already 3 minutes in? Won't come out the packaging. Okay. And here it is. Rage Longinus. Oh yeah, and by the way, with Nightmare Rex, I did get a launcher. Which it is, right here. I don't have big words. So yeah. Yeah, it is a left spin Beyblade, which is very cool. So yeah, let's open it up. I think from this side. And I did just get the normal colored chassis, and I have a bunch of stickers. Yeah. Here's my first Destroy Dash. This is my first Destroy Dash. And yeah. So I'm gonna do a couple battles just this off screen as my camera is is very low in storage. I need to upload this. Yeah. Because I want to put the stickers on. Wow. But here, the Beyblade. So here's the Beyblade. Rage Longinus Destroy 3A. This is the combo for this Beyblade. I have to say, it does look very nice. I'm gonna put it together. Oh, that's been my bad. Let me see if I can rotate the chassis. Definitely, nope. The same no matter how I put it on. And it's my first non-4-star chassis. Boom. So here's the Beyblade completed. And here's Nightmare Rex. In the next video, I'll be doing some battles. Peace out.